almost lost this. I almost lost this. Mom.
Oh, thank you.
I want to give him a treat.
Honey. Here comes Izzy. What do you think about that puppy? Just sit down, Izzy. Sit down and let him come up on your lap. What do you have in the bag?
What does she have? Grasshopper.
A grasshopper.
It hopped on it. It's on her.
The grasshopper's on her?
Yeah.
Where's the grasshopper, Izzy?
I don't know. No. Sit. Sit. Hey, what are you doing? Huh?
What do you think of our puppy? What do you think? Is he cute?
Mm-hmm.
You love him?
Ooh, he's so cute.
Let's get that bag away from him.
Can this guy have this tiny one? Ah! Just a tiny one?
We can try it.
Hey, little buddy! Hey, little buddy! Little buddy! Hey, look!
Does he like it?
Yeah. He didn't take it. He's just licking it. Okay, there we go. Wait. He might not take it. He likes it.